They've spent months arguing the government can't push ahead with Brexit without giving Parliament a vote. Now judges at the High Court say these campaigners, including business people and Britons living in the UK and abroad, are right.
You don't want Brexit to happen, do you?
I would prefer it doesn't. I certainly don't want it to happen by the government making a decision in secret. If Parliament decides that that is the best thing for the UK, I will have to support it. I can't fight this fight and then complain about Parliament coming to a decision that we should leave the EU.
After the ruling, Theresa May's government repeated its aim of triggering Article 50, which begins the UK's formal exit procedures from the EU by next March. First, in December, it will appeal the latest decision at the Supreme Court.
Mr. Speaker, the government is disappointed by the court's judgment. The country voted to leave the European Union in a referendum approved by Act of Parliament. The government is determined to respect the result of the referendum. This judgment raises important and complex matters of law, and it's right that we consider it carefully before deciding how to proceed.
The campaigners who've won an initial victory here point out the referendum was advisory and say that not involving Parliament over Brexit would be a horrifying democratic power grab. The government insists it has a clear mandate from the people. This argument is far from over. Meanwhile, Scotland's First Minister says her devolved government might actually join the campaigners challenging the UK government at the Supreme Court.
We should remember that their refusal to allow a vote in the House of Commons is not some matter of high constitutional principle. It's because they don't have a coherent position and they know that if they take their case to the House of Commons, that will be exposed.
For now, officials in Brussels are refusing to speculate on whether this decision will slow down the Brexit process. But many EU countries have urged the UK to get on with triggering Article 50, making the debate here over the terms of Brexit even more urgent. Nadim, Al Jazeera, London.